Hello, Budget Bakers. Welcome back to the Budget Baking Lab, where I purchase ingredients and supplies from discount stores, and then I put my creative spin on it to make something delicious. So today we are going to make a pie, a pudding pie, a Snicker pudding pie, to be exact. So I have purchased the majority of these ingredients from Dollar Tree. I purchased one of the graham crusts. I purchased one package of the mini Snicker bars, or the snack size Snicker bars. There's 5 in a pack. One box of Snickers chocolate pudding, and one box of Sonic's vanilla shake pudding. Typically, when you make a pudding pie, you'll have your pudding at the bottom and then Cool Whip on the top. Well, the Dollar Tree by where I live doesn't have a refrigerated section. So I thought, what can I do to make a pie without whipped topping? And then it hit me. I am going to make the Snickers pudding for the bottom layer, and then the top layer will be the vanilla pudding instead of Cool Whip. Then I'm going to chop up my Snickers and put them on top, pop it in the fridge, and let it set. First, I cut up my Snickers and had a taste. Then I mixed together my milk and added the Snicker pudding to that, stirred it up really good. And it was at this moment I realized it was way too watery. But I went forward anyway and mixed my vanilla pudding. There we go. Even popped it in the fridge to harden while I did that. And here we are, where I knew it was a fail. It was not sitting on top of the chocolate pudding, the vanilla pudding. It was mixing in. But I went with it anyway, and I added my Snickers to the top. And then I put it in the fridge. And when I took it out, this is exactly how it looked. The same way it looked when I put it in. Epic fail.